Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute a message in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to accomplish this. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. Next to the message that you want to mute, click on the Select checkbox. This will enable you to perform actions on that specific message. Step 3. On the top menu, locate and click on the More option. A drop-down menu will appear with additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Mute. This will mute the selected message, preventing it from appearing in your inbox and reducing any notifications related to that conversation. By muting messages in Gmail, you can declutter your inbox and focus on the emails that matter most to you. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy emailing!